If you're seeing a CapCut upload error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your video uploaded without the frustration. This is especially helpful if direct publishing to TikTok, YouTube, or other platforms is failing and CapCut just refuses to send your final video out. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to manually export your project, clear CapCut's advanced cache, and turn off hardware encoding if it's causing export or upload problems. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Let's get right into it. First, if direct publishing is failing, the easiest workaround is to export the file manually instead of uploading straight from CapCut. Open your finished project, then look for the export button. This will let you save your final video as an MP4 or MOV file directly to your computer. Once the export is complete, don't try to rely on the built-in upload flow right away. Instead, open your web browser and manually upload the saved file to TikTok, YouTube, or whichever platform you're posting to. This simple step often fixes the issue because it bypasses the direct publishing error inside CapCut. If the upload still feels buggy, the next thing you should do is clear CapCut's advanced cache. To do that, open the menu, go to Settings, and then find Cache Size. From there, clear the cache so CapCut can rebuild fresh temporary files. Over time, cache data can get corrupted or overloaded, and that can lead to upload failures, lag, or export problems. Clearing it is a safe and effective fix that often solves strange behavior inside the app. Now let's move on to another common fix. Go back into Menu, open Settings again, and then head to Performance. Here, you'll see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. If that box is enabled, uncheck it and then click Save. Hardware encoding can help speed things up on some systems, but on others it can cause exporting glitches, failed uploads, or unsupported file issues. Turning it off gives CapCut a more stable software-based export path, which can make a big difference if your upload error keeps happening. After making that change, try exporting your project again and see if it finishes properly. In many cases, these 3 steps are enough to fix the problem completely. First, export the video manually. Second, clear the advanced cache. Third, disable hardware encoding. If you do those in order, you'll solve a lot of the most common CapCut upload issues without needing to reinstall the app or lose your project. And if the video exports successfully, make sure you test the upload in your browser before going back to any in-app publishing options. That way you can confirm whether the issue was with CapCut itself or with the direct publishing feature. I hope this tutorial helped you fix your CapCut upload error quickly and get your content posted without any more headaches. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more CapCut troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.